another day here at Trophy Mountain. Good day out in the fields. We had a lot of groups out. Actually, the one guy's been coming for about 20 years. We got some new groups today. And like I always say, it's a good day in the fields. Let's kill some birds.
Kevin, look down.
Oh my gosh. Hey Chad.
We got one right here.
You want me to catch it?
Right here. Right here in front of us. Here comes Belle. It's right in front of us. This is cool.
Close, Belle. Come.
It's standing still. Here comes Belle. Oh no.
There it goes, Chad.
Coming out.
Oh, come on. That was weird.
Perfect timing. Sandy, come.
Yeah. He's mousing. Yeah, false alarm. Yeah.
And there's that one pheasant down. I think.
Here, good boy, here.
Oh, he buried himself in there.
Here, good boy. All right.
Ready, there he is.
Coming up. Whoa, whoop.
Your bird.
Good boy, Chuck. All right, good boy, here. I wasn't paying that much attention to that. Good boy. Good boy.
Hit.
Coming back.
Well, he's dead.
Flying circles today. Good boy, here. Here. Good.
First time I've ever seen a dog flush.
Here.
Good boy, Tucker. Good, you got him.
Whoa, Tucker. Yeah, cool. First one that flew away.
I thought you were supposed to let him get a little far out.
He did.
Hey, what?
He just centered that one.
Huh?
Here.
I can't hear you.
Isn't that convenient?
When I was a kid, we had natural ringneck. They never stopped them back then. We would just go out.
There used to be pheasants all over the place.
Oh man, we would, all summer long we'd hear them screeching and squawking.
Yep.
My uncle, they had a bar and someone had a field trial short hair pointer that it was getting old and they wanted to find a good home for it. Oh man, I'll tell you, when we took that dog, she'd lock on a point. I mean, it was just like a picture.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, it was something to see.
No. He's a good boy. Yep. Figures a rooster right here in front of me. Die. Here we go. Get ready. Get him. Get him, Red. Hey! Get him, Red. Dead. May have to chase it a little bit.
I'm close. I'm close.
Yeah, they're pointing
How long have you guys been going to home waters?
3 years.
Okay. Honoring each other. Tucker will stop and honor another dog. Sometimes it looks like they're pointing and he's just honoring the other dog. Good boy. Let me see, man. I'll see what I can do. Hey, Cody, whoa. 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 Turn around and push that bird back up the hill. Cody! Whoa! Good dog. Yeah, you're good there. Now walk up to him here. There you go. Good boy, Chuck. Good boy. Hey, here. Yeah, you sure did. Good. Here, Tuck. Here, Tuck. When they run out to get a bird, just be ready.
Okay.
Another bird could come up easily.
Okay, good boy.
All right, now.
Hey.
No. In. Good boy. Nice work.
Let him walk you to death.
There.
Come on, Hank. Get them drunked up, they won't be able to fish tomorrow.
Oh, Jesus.
Do you guys get those other 2 roosters I saw?
I think so.
Saw them.
What? You saw it? Because they were pretty big roosters.